Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to reset Twitter feed. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open Twitter on your phone. Then once you open it, you will have now to click on your profile icon on the top left corner right here. Then click on settings and support. Then tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on it, you will have to scroll down till you find this option, accessibility, display, and languages. Then here, as you can see, you will have to get to data usage. And down below right here, you will find an option saying media storage or web storage. You'll have to click on these two options, then click on clear. And this is only if you have an iPhone. Now, let's say that you have an Android. What you should do is simply go back, go to your mobile settings, then scroll till you find apps or search for Twitter app from the search bar. So I'm going to search for X or Twitter. After that, click on the application. Then here you will find storage. You will now have to click on clear data, then click on clear all data and click on clear cache. You will have to delete both. And by this way, you can reset Twitter feed. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.